Well, it is Saturday afternoon, and like a lot of Saturday afternoons, I am in the office getting things ready for clients. This past week, we were very busy in Lackawanna County, Pennsylvania, doing some pretrial motions for a very serious matter there in Scranton, Pennsylvania. A little bit of a drive for me, but I don't mind driving. So with that said, I received a question this morning from a former client about DUI and DWI, sleeping it off in the car. They were headed out this weekend and they wanted to know if they had too much to drink, if sleeping it off in the car was a good idea. And really, it's not the best legal strategy. If you are drunk, I really wouldn't advise sleeping it off in the car, because in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, you have to understand that most people think that the drunk driving statute actually specifically says driving a vehicle or automobile. It doesn't say that. It says being in the operation of a vehicle or a car. So with that broad definition of actually operation as opposed to driving, that leaves open the possibility that you can be convicted if you're simply behind the wheel of a car and the car is not actually moving. And there are a lot of cases, both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, where individuals have been behind the wheel in parked vehicles, even in parking lots, and they've been convicted of DUI or DWI. Now, I would argue that that person is in operation of the vehicle, but again, it's a gray area. If you are going to trial with that set of facts, I would definitely bring out, possibly in some situations, the temperature. Now, right now, it's really not that cold out. It's unseasonably warm, so that's a more difficult argument to make. You also want to give out, also get into your position in the vehicle. Obviously, you're in the back seat of the car as opposed to the driver's seat. That's obviously important. With regards to chemical tests, remember never to refuse the blood test or the breathalyzer test, the alcohol test in New Jersey. Don't refuse that. If you do refuse the field sobriety test, just make the officer aware of why you're refusing the test if you have some physical limitation, because the prosecutor will more than likely bring that out if your case does go to trial. If you have questions about drunk driving in Pennsylvania or New Jersey, we answer the calls 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Like I always say, the majority of our calls about drunk driving come in over the weekend. In Pennsylvania, 215-755-9000. In New Jersey, 856-793-7429. The website, gambonelaw.com, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my blogs, my videos, my strategy books are available on the website. I have books available on drunk driving in Pennsylvania. I'm coming out with a book later this year, before the end of 2020, on drunk driving in New Jersey. But again, there's a lot of blog articles available on gambonelaw.com. I encourage you to check out the website. So once again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Please be responsible. Have a great weekend, and I will talk to you all soon on Monday.